big. I know I love super size and big clothes and so on, but this is just too big. Okay, we're going back to Zara.
All the light we cannot see.
Story time. Once upon a time, there was a girl. Her name is Stacy. She loved makeup. She forgot to organize her stuff. But guess what? Regardless of that, she always loved her makeup. Each time she go out and shop, she always try to get one or a few. And trust me, she go ahead and she tell herself she is going to organize them today because this is not the right way, and she want to keep them loved. This is Stacy, and this is her story. Knowing me for a beauty girl who love to have beauty stuff and so on, I love to take care of myself. Just as how I take care of my skin, I have to take care of the bottles and my makeup stuff also in the sink. All the residue on the bottles, they got to go. The paper towel was never big use, and even though Meyer say their stuff is the best, honestly, it was so much stain on it. But guess what? I'm not gonna blame Myers or the paper towel. I believe it's just natural soil. So I just work with it how it is, but trust me, it was a lightweight and it looks good. Let me work on it and trust me, it work out. I spend money to get stuff and then go ahead and waste it. It doesn't make sense. Sometimes we just gotta have the time and the patience and just go ahead and just clean our stuff and just go back to it. Yeah, the whole juggler. Sometimes it's better to stick with what you have than go ahead and get something new. Besides, it works. This was so shiny. The sheen that it came with, I could have just used it as a mirror to apply my lipstick anyway. That was just a joke. I'm just kidding. The few minutes of soap that I gave these bottles, it helps. Trust me, because it helps scrub the residue. I mean, it was a quite a work. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest. So you have to have patience while doing this because then you're gonna just say, "Ugh, I'm gonna give up." But I go ahead and I do what I have to do. Initially, one of the drawer, it was a mess. Let me be precisely the one that I have held the eyeshadows in. Oh my god, I have regrets. It's stained the drawer. I have to go ahead and scrub this drawer. I was so concerned about how it would be afterwards, or maybe it would swell in or something. And then you know what happened? On the urge of placing it back, I have a minute and some seconds of panic attack. When I was putting it back in, one of the drawers was jamming up, and I was like, "Oh my god, is this because of the water?" But then I said, "No, no, 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 calm down, Stacy. It's not, because it was just one, and that one was in the middle, and you put it back in the middle. So calm down, girl." Anyway, I calm down. There I go. I proceed calmly. This is how the finishing look. It's amazing. I did it. It was quite a work, but I did it. This was totally a lightweight. And trust me, that was all. And the night was end. No, 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 no. Run that back. That wasn't all. We made dinner. What? I forgot to say that. Let's go. So I made mashed potatoes, green bean with garlic butter. Also, I made some barbecue, pork chops. It's sort of burned because I was busy back and forth doing cleaning the makeup section, but yeah, it looked good still. Even though it's kind of burnt, I know it's going to taste good. It's brown sugar, chocolate brown. Don't watch the color. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Need to get more lipstick. I'm at lip glass. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. So, friend, we're taking this back. The quality is good and everything, but it's too big, and I don't think I want to wear this. I believe I got it in a run. It's medium, but this medium is big. I know I love super size and big clothes and so on, but this is just too big. Okay, we're going back to Zara. We're gonna do an exchange. Let's go.
Feeling like myself again. Open up like a flower in the moonlight. I've been taking space to mend, to hold me up, cause I've fallen so many
When I came home yesterday, I was tired, so I didn't have the time to upload and show you guys what I chose from Zara with the exchange purchase. So, well, so I took this sneakers. It's very nice. It sort of look like the Samba. That's not the case. That's why I got it. I like this here, the leopard. You know, leopard is coming in back. It's trending. So yeah, I go ahead and I got these instead. Uh, with the dress, I I like the dress, but something about it under the armpit, it has a gap, so I didn't choose that one. The pants, it's not a high rise, it's more of a mid rise. I don't like mid rise because mid rise tend to, ride down every now and then, and you have to keep pulling it up. Knowing me, I like high waist, so I would rather it if it was a high rise. Also, I have a package here, pretending we're unpacking it's already pulled. I am trying to get rid of these. These were over the TV, but I switched the ones that was right here, put it over the TV. It was like 2 weeks ago. Due to how the picture was, it's not as expected, but yeah, I'm just have to just work with it. So I'm gonna put it over here, and when I go ahead and do it, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's 3 pieces. It's very gorgeous and nice. It's more of like a feminine shape. Yeah, this is how it look. I really like these. These are so cute and simple. It's like a body art. This is a sitting position one. This one when she sit and have her legs up, and then this one is like a backway position. These are very nice, more feminine. Something that I like. But for now, I'm gonna put these up.
All the light we cannot see exists inside of you and me. Tango 5-3. Tango 5-3. Shadows falling on your face, the turning of the night to day, and elemental grace washing away the noise. Nothing stays the same.
Morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday morning. Pretty much today, we're gonna take it a lightweight, and I'm gonna head out for a few and then come back. It's cute and hot. We're a sleep bunch throughout the winter time. It's more of an easygoing, but the residue that comes with the jam, that's what I don't like. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's just white, like just extra white. Anyway, I am back inside the house. It was a long day, and I am going to get me something to eat. Today was a good day. I have a nice time. I'm just hungry at this point. I believe I should eat off the camera. I think I'm gonna cut the camera soon though, because I'm very hungry. I just don't want to be distracted. I'm gonna cut the camera. Get back to you before I go in bed.
All the light we cannot see exists inside of you and me.
Straight after I consumed my meal, I had to go in the bathroom, take a bath, and do my orals. I couldn't even do my eye routine in the bathroom because I was super tired. Turn up the like button, turn up the notification so you can notify whenever I post a video. Just as well when you're in the club, you turn up. Yeah, just turn up everything on this one for me. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.